How to go live on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now navigate to the profile page by clicking on the Bitmoji icon. Once you're on the profile page, now click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Here you're gonna find different option, but you won't find the option to go live. Because at the moment there is no such option within Snapchat to go live. If in the future Snapchat comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But at the moment, what you can do is take a snap, then click on the option of send to. You can check in for the option of my story public and upload it. Uploading story to the public, you will be able to interact with new people. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can go live on Snapchat or not. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.